Have you heard of Wander? They offer vacation homes with hotel-grade amenities and all the comforts of a private vacation home. But even better, because with Wander, your dream getaway is just a few clicks away. Download the app and create your account to unlock access to an exclusive collection of beautiful properties, from mountain and desert homes to serene private islands and more. Wander has the perfect destination for every traveler. Browse through stunning homes right in the app. Once you find your dream property, booking is seamless and instant, and it doesn't even end there. During your stay, the app serves as your personal travel assistant. Need to adjust the smart home settings, access property details, or find recommendations? It's all at your fingertips. And before you even check out, you can book your next adventure. Discover a better way to travel. Download and explore the Wander app today and find your next unforgettable experience.